Chris Walker out here at Orr Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Russellville, Orr Auto Mall, home of the 150-foot flag. Just wanted to show you a few of our heavy-duty Rams that we just got in: 2500s, 3500s, regular cabs, quad cab or crew cabs, diesels. Even have the Laramie package. Sorted colors: black, silver, white, two-tone, red. Then I've got our half tons. See if I can show a quick shot of our flag waving out there great this Memorial Day weekend. Thank you to the families that have fallen soldiers, vets. Thank you for your service. Thank you guys that are currently serving, have served. Shout out to you guys. All these half-ton trucks I've got. Good savings on it this weekend. Also going to have a little grilling out Monday on Memorial Day from 11 to 2. Come out and see us. Chris Walker, 479-747-0584. Or Chris W. at OrrAutomall.com. Catch me at Walker Drives Your Friend in the Car Business on Facebook and my new website.